guys, Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very exciting video for me. One, because I love cleaning, and two, because at the end of this video, I'm gonna have a clean apartment. So I'm really excited about that. For those of you who don't know, I am a second year at the University of Virginia. This is my first ever apartment, and it can get out of control, especially on some busy weeks when we don't really clean up after ourselves. And then all of a sudden there's a pile of dishes in the kitchen and no forks left. So that's where we're at right now. Literally, I've like met my breaking point. You know, like when you feel like you just have to clean, like just get it done, like that's where I'm at. The apartment's a mess, also my room's a mess. So I feel like I just really need to clean it up to feel some sanity in my life. If you guys are new here, definitely subscribe down below for more college and lifestyle videos and the occasional cleaning video. I definitely feel like I have a cleaning segment in every single one of my vlogs because I'm always cleaning. But today's like a really good, like deep clean. If you're procrastinating cleaning right now, which you likely are because you're watching this video, definitely throw this on the background, get your cleaning done. So I really hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get cleaning. I have 4 areas that I'm going to tackle today: the living room, the kitchen, my bathroom, and my bedroom. The 2 places that need the most work are the kitchen and my bedroom. Those are definitely going to take the longest, and then my bathroom, just wiping some stuff down, putting some stuff away, and the living room, same thing, just kind of wiping down surfaces and putting the pillows back on the couch. But I'm going to start with the kitchen because that is giving me the most anxiety, and also I need to like start the dishwasher, and then hopefully by the time I'm done with some of the other rooms, I can like reload the dishwasher again with some more dishes, because our dishwasher is like European size. It's gonna take a little while to get all these dishes going. The situation here right now is not great. Definitely have to take this trash out, throw these both in the dumpster, and then just like this whole situation here, these are all dirty dishes. There are clean dishes in here which we need to unload. Obviously run the dishwasher, put those away, and then clean anything else. I also need to fill up our water pitcher because we're running out of like filtered water, so we need to do that. The living room isn't too bad, it's just like kind of a little messy. I'm also going to try and magic erase the table to make it look a little cleaner, and then I'm just going to dust a little, do a little multi-purpose, all-purpose, that's the word. Let's just make sure everything's clean. Same thing with my bathroom. I have a few things to put away, but I'm just going to clean the surfaces. I just cleaned my toilet the other week, so I'm not going to do that, but just like clean the surfaces, just kind of make it look a little more organized, and put my shoes away. And then this is all my stuff for my little, so I'm actually going to put this in my room obviously, but I'm not touching that. And this is my room right now. Yeah, not good, like really not good. Clearly Liv slept over last night, so I have to put all that away. I have a bunch of clothes there, shoes, chargers, lemonade, a towel, like lots of dishes, coats everywhere. Like it's just clearly something needs to be done. I literally have so many dishes in here, so I'm taking them all out of here, putting them in the kitchen so I know like what I'm working with. Alright, so I have the kitchen mostly clean now. I have these dishes which are sitting here to go in after this is done running, and then these are just extra drying dishes that couldn't fit over there, and then that's the pitcher back there that fills up the water, so that always stays there. So it kind of doesn't look like super clean, but it's way better than what it was. And I went ahead and wiped down the counters. I did this bleach spray that I have from Walmart, and then I just did the stovetop and it looks so much better. Some of this stuff like I scrub and I don't really know how to get it off, but it's as clean as it will get for now. I also wiped down both those surfaces over there. That gets a lot of coffee on it throughout the week. And then I just like to make sure the table's clean, obviously, because we eat on it. Now I'm just going to pick this up a little bit. It'll probably take like literally a minute. And then I have the diffuser running over there, and I'm just gonna wipe down the surfaces and make sure they're nice and clean. Wiped everything down in here. Now I'm moving on to my bathroom, which will literally take another 2 minutes. Just pick up all of that, put it away, and then put the shoes away, obviously, and I'm just going to wipe down with a Clorox wipe just to make sure everything's nice and clean. Alright, last but certainly not least is this room situation we got going on here. Trying to race against the daylight. The sun's starting to set, so I'm gonna try and make this as fast as possible. Hopefully it only takes me like 10-15 minutes if I like really focus. I do think I'm gonna put on an episode of The Blacklist just because I'm losing motivation, and I'm meeting Liv and her mom for dinner actually soon, so I'm trying to like finish up before then. I'm not like gonna change my sheets or anything because I just did that. I do it pretty frequently, so I just don't feel the need to do that. And if I were doing like a super deep clean, I'd like clean my comforter and my duvet, but I just also cleaned those recently, so keep that in mind. Let's just get after it because I'm definitely like not in the mood to do this right now, but once I get started, I know I'll feel so good after. Alright guys, so this is the after. This is my stuff for my little, which will be gone by the end of the next week, so ignore that. The rest is just very clean, very organized. I have like no stuff here. It just makes me feel so good. All that stuff's for Liv when she comes back over. Yeah, it's just very just feels so much better. That concludes my little apartment deep clean for today. I really hope that y'all enjoyed. We're actually gonna finish up the kitchen tonight, but that's a lot of the same, so figured I wouldn't even need to show y'all. But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it motivated you to clean your room, your apartment, whatever you've been putting off, because I'm sure you have. And if you do like videos like this, definitely give it a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.